Hi everyone, I'm Trish and I'm with Boost Impact Projects with Catalyst team. We're currently participating in Project Catalyst Fund 7 and in the run-up to the voting phase starting 13th of January, we'd like to share our proposal with you. We are currently competing in a challenge that seeks to find solutions to improve the success rates of Catalyst projects. We received fantastic feedback from Catalyst community advisors, but now we need your help, support, and votes to take us past that finish line. If you haven't heard or seen our proposal before, this video is for you. Let me start by explaining why we exist. We're increasingly in a phase and a world where social and environmental challenges are prevalent. We recognize that we need 2.5 trillion US dollars to be able to bridge the development investment gap by 2030. Additionally, we need 6 trillion US dollars annually to be able to achieve the sustainable development goals. Lastly, we recognize that impact project leaders, catalyst change makers lack both funding and support to be able to improve success rates. Now, here is where we asked ourselves two questions. The first question is, how do we make Catalyst ventures as financially viable investments? Two, how do we de-risk, fund, and accelerate impact startups? This brings me to our proposal. Our proposal aims to build a bridge between Cardashift and Catalyst. To explain in brevity, Cardashift is a community-run launchpad that seeks to fund, accelerate, as well as build impact projects that are trying to solve social and environmental issues. The bridge with Catalyst is because we recognize the power of Cardano blockchain as well as the resources being put forward by the Cardano community. And that is why we plan to bring this project to life by running a pilot to make up to 3 Catalyst impact startups as financially viable investments. We plan on doing this via a 6-step process. To explain, the first step would be to introduce the CLAP token, a utility token based on ADA, followed by a phase where we simultaneously introduce the Cardashift launchpad as well as the Catalyst bridge. This phase will be followed by a period of inviting as well as connecting impact startups with Catalyst via the bridge, followed by our team working to select and score 3 to 5 projects with the intention of de-risking, pre-funding, and running successful IDOs before putting these projects through a 6-month accelerator program. Finally, I'd like to say, please vote for us. You can do so in 2 simple steps. A, download the Catalyst voting app. 2, cast votes for Boost Impact Projects with Catalyst. And remember, voting starts on 13th of January. Mark the dates and please go cast your votes for us. Thank you so much.